Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the bass on TOZO T20. So if you have connected your earbuds to your smartphone, you can boost the bass, or you can actually reduce the bass by using the equalizer in the TOZO app. So you should download the TOZO app depending on what you use. For instance, you can go to the Play Store and you need to search for this TOZO app. You can just type TOZO in the search in order to find this app. After you install it and open it, you will need to create an account, and once you register, then you should be able to add a device in the app. So you will need to simply follow the instructions, and after that, over here you should have the information about your earbuds, and over here we can also see the EQ. In order to customize the EQ, we need to tap more sound effects, and then over here you have some presets. We have Bass Plus, where you can increase the bass, you can boost the bass, and you can also reduce the bass by using Bass Minus. In addition to that, you can also adjust the bass, not only bass, but the whole EQ by yourself. So if needed, you can make some fixes by yourself. And then you can also save the preset as you wish, so that you don't have to do this one more time if you, for instance, by accident changed the EQ. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!